In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add payment icons on Wix. Having payment icons on your website can enhance credibility and provide your customers with the assurance they need when making transactions. So let's dive right in and get those icons up on your Wix site. First things first, we need to download the payment icons that you wish to display on your website. A good place to start is by searching for high-quality payment icons online. I recommend looking for PNG files because they support transparent backgrounds, which will neatly integrate the icons into your site's design without any awkward white box around them. Once you've found the icons that suit your needs, save them to your computer as we'll be uploading them shortly. Now that we've got the images ready, the next step is to head over to your Wix website editor. Once you're there, you'll want to direct your attention to the left-hand side of the screen and look for the Add Elements option. This tool allows you to personalize and enhance the visual components of your website. Clicking Add Elements will reveal several options for you, but for today, we're specifically interested in images. So go ahead and select Image. This is where you can choose to either drag and drop your downloaded image files directly into the editor or upload them manually from your computer. If you are opting for the manual method, you'll click on Upload from Computer and navigate through your files to select the payment icons you just downloaded. Give it a moment as it uploads to your Wix account. Once the images have uploaded, you should see a button that says Add to Page. Click that and your payment icon will now appear in your website editor, ready for you to position. At this point, it's a good idea to think about where to place the icon so it complements your website's layout. Typically, payment icons are placed near the footer or around the payment sections to reassure customers that you offer secure and well-known payment options. And just like that, you've successfully added payment icons to your Wix website. It's as simple as that. This small addition can have a big impact on your site's trustworthiness and ultimately on your conversions. Thank you so much for tuning in to today's tutorial, and I hope you feel more equipped to customize your Wix site. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like